Hi folks, Dudley Vapor here, and today I'm doing a review for E-Vape 247, and it's a competition win, and this one is for Arctic Blizzard, which is a blueberry and menthol. Now, as you all know, that's what I like. Now, this is full TPD, right? You got your warnings, and this is 3 milligram, and made in the UK. So you got all your warnings, etc. on this nice packaging, and not sure. It's 90 VG. 3 milligram, right? So nice top there. You do put a package inside, and there you got the actual bottle itself. And that's the bottle. It says 3 milligram. You got your warnings on there. So this is full TPD compliant, and you got your child friendly cap, so yeah, that complies. Now to open it. Oh, if I can open it, of course. There you go. So it does take a lot to open, so I doubt if a child could get in there. Now give it a quick. Now you can smell the blueberry and that menthol kick. Now, opened up one before. That is just to allow the cotton to soak in the Amril tank, Amri key, whatever. Yeah, right. So here's the first vape. Ow. Now, now that is nice. You've got a nice blueberry there, and I would say a medium to strong menthol. It's not too strong, but it's a very nice sensation if you like menthol. If you don't, then obviously you won't like this, but yeah, so yeah, it's blueberry menthol. You can taste, you can get that blueberry there, but then you get the menthol as well, which is very, very nice. You know, but as I said, if you like your menthols like me, then you know you will absolutely love this one. And I know someone who will love it. You know, don't need to mention any names there. So yeah. Yeah, it just leaves it there, that menthol. You know, so it's not really strong. You know, I've had some which are a lot stronger, but this one is nice. It's more medium strength. So vape on this all day, any day, no problem whatsoever. So what I will do, leave all the details in the description below of how you can contact them and where you can get it from, etc. So this is Dudley Vapor. Vaping out.